Hey, welcome to the Cooking for Men channel. This is a channel basically to show men how to cook and a very couple of simple trick to get you going. So today we're going to be doing some pilon, chicken pilon, very nice and easy. So what I'm doing is I'm taking as much fat as I can off the pilon because I'm going to get them slow cooking, and I don't want the fat to go all over the grill, and it's going to make for dark smoke, and it's going to get the meat actually very dark. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting all around. So I'm cutting all the nerves and tendon in the actual chicken pilon, and this will allow us basically when we eat it just to grab it by the end, and you will have nothing to do, and everything left on the bone will be easy to eat. This is good for kids. I did a bunch in Canada today, did about 30 of them. It's a good starter, doesn't take much, and then people are really happy with this. If you count it as a starter, you're probably just one or two per person. If you do it as a meal, you know, at least three or four per adult, depending on you like it. I'm using some avocado oil on this one. Basically, I'm putting the oil on it. The reason for it is it's going to prevent it from burning, and the next thing is going to allow my rub to actually stick very well to it. So the rub itself is a very barbecue taste rub. Tastes almost like chips when they're done. I have a few recipes for rubs, and this one is more of a barbecue taste. So when I'm cooking this, I can usually cook a few things at the same time. I'm putting it on the right part of the grill. I don't want it to be too close to the heat because I'd like to cook it for at least 45 minutes to an hour at about 300 Fahrenheit. So it is quite long cooking. You could go a bit faster and you could put it down on the heat, but I get more juice out of it. I get them juicier when I cook them on the top part of the grill itself. So the next thing I'm going to try to get going is I'm going to, about every 10 minutes or so, I'm going to come around and I'm going to look at them and flip them around. Part of the grill is a bit warmer on one side, so I am going to switch them around from the other side. When I'm actually looking at them, if I see that they're starting to get a bit dark, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of avocado oil again, or you can use olive oil, that works too. And I'm just going to put it on it so to prevent it from the for them to get real dark and burnt. These are good with sweet potatoes. You can get some veggies wrapped up too. Really nice for a meal. And then the important thing is to look at them at least about every 10 minutes or so, and make sure that you don't get any burning. Because there's not a lot of skin on it, it's mostly the actual meat itself. You gotta be really quick at turning them around. The last thing you need to do is, get ready to package them up, and then that's really all, and they're ready to serve. I'm probably going to put in my next video, I'm going to put a couple of rub solution. This basically allows you to make your own rub, and then you can play with the rub and make it more barbecue-y, more sugar taste like. I use a lot of maple syrup to do my rubs, like the dry maple syrup, which is really good. It makes it for a different rub. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put at least 2 videos per week on the actual channel, so if you want to check them out. Thanks. Big thumbs up. Have a good day.